everyone, welcome back. As you can see, I'm in my truck driving down the highway, going to look at a piece of equipment I'm kind of excited about. I found it on Marketplace a couple days ago. The pictures the guy has on there looks really good, and the price is really good, so I'm gonna go check it out. Of course, it's a chainsaw, so I'm not gonna tell you what kind of chainsaw just yet, but we're gonna have to wait for that. I'm gonna go check it out. If everything looks as good as his description of it and the pictures that he posted of it, I think I'm gonna get a heck of a deal. It's a nice bright sunny day out today. Nice day to take a little drive, so I figure I'd bring you along with me. So let's go check this thing out. Maybe we should stop there on the way back. Alright, welcome back everyone. I'm back home in the shop, and here's the purchase I made. The Echo Timberwolf CS590. I needed a bigger saw, and after getting that CS400 and really liking the way that it runs, I've been looking for one of these. The retail is $3.99, but I got this one considerably less, and actually $25 less than what the person selling it originally wanted for it. So I got a really good deal. I'm not gonna tell you how much I paid for it. If you all want to guess and put a comment down below about how much you think I paid for this saw, go ahead and do so. I'd like to see if you guys are thinking the way I am, then I got a good deal. But if you put a high number, then I don't know. Anyway, really happy with the purchase. We started it up at the guy's little shop he had there. Started, I think it was the 4th pull. I wasn't aware that the CS590, they don't have primer bulbs. I wasn't aware of that. So, but I'm excited to get it out in the woods and put it to work. I set up a small log just outside the shop here, so I'm just going to do a few little cuts on camera for you, and then the real test is when I get it out to the woods. So let's go ahead and take it outside and do a few cuts with it. Okay, yeah, real nice and smooth. You just set that chain on the log and press down on the throttle and just let the weight of the saw go through that wood. Really nice. I mean, yeah, the saw's got a little bit of weight to it. No, I probably wouldn't want to cut with it all day long, but really like it so far. Just for those few little cuts I just made, those little biscuits, really nice. So I'm looking forward to getting it out in the woods to really put it through its paces. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to be heading to the cabin probably tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday, going to be going to the cabin tomorrow. Family's going to come up on Friday, and we're going to spend the weekend. Not sure if I'm going to be doing any filming or not, so maybe just relax for a little bit. But hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you're new to the channel and you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. I appreciate that. If you like the content that I'm providing, please hit that like button. That helps me out too. And leave a comment down below. What would you give for a saw like this? He says he bought it brand new. The previous owner bought it brand new, used it twice, I think he said. It's on it. He went through 2 tanks of gas, and it's on its 3rd tank of gas right now. So it's not even broken in yet. They usually say about up to 5 tanks of gas to get it totally broken in. So let me know down in the comments down below what you think I paid for this saw, and if you were to buy a saw used like this, what would you pay? I'd be interested to see your feedback. So I think I got an awesome deal. Like I said, I got the saw. It looked brand new to me. Got the chain on it, plus 2 additional chains. I mean, the graphics on the bar aren't even scratched. So I think I did good, but I want to hear from you guys. Alright, I guess that's it for now. I appreciate you all watching, and until next time, we'll see you later.